Okay, guys, this is me, Linton. You guys remember me still? I did make the skateboard team. Awesome! By turning, but my turning is very sharp. Look here. But I fall off. If I fall off, then it's 2 odds off. I mean 3 odds off. I have 4 odds. I done it! You know me! You know me! But I made it to a circle. You can see me far away now. I'm watching you.
Pagbilangan
Yes. Oh yeah. Very nice, yeah, guys. Talking just to my uncle. You guys want to meet him? Guys, that was a very sharp. Price. How was it, alright? I want it.
Alright.
Okay. Okay, guys. He say everything is alright. Alright. Okay, I'ma do it again. Look at me again because I'ma come here to this side. I'ma come that way. Yeah. And turn twice. Because I just don't wanna die. Whoa, I'm going too far. I'm here by the washing machine. But I must actually put you here. Yeah, boy. I just want to get something to put you here. So, did you see that, guys? Did you see it? See it for real? For real, guys. I'ma put the bottle. I'ma put this bottle here. Let you guys can see how I ride and turn. Okay. Watch me. Oh, I must turn you guys here. Skateboard. You guys are still. Yeah, okay. No. But I was still trying. That is my skateboard. Pink. When I get older, I'ma get me a big. I'ma get me a big skateboard. Yo, I failed. I got 3 odds left. 3. It's my final 3 odds. My 3 odds of 1 odd. If I got the best one, then it's gonna be 4. Oh, 2 odds left. Please, more help. If it's 0 odds, then I must really end the video. For real. There's still 2 odds. I just tried, right? still got two hours again. It was, I nailed it, but what was I to the end of it? Oh, tell me guys in the comments, and please subscribe to my video because it's only not the first time. I see some people make videos at their after their channels, you guys. Must check my channels. Please do my channels, subscribe. I see some of you guys doing my channels 10,000 subscribers. Okay guys, see you guys. I'm gonna try this now. Whoa. 3 roots now. Now this time I'm coming very small. If I come from deep and then I'm going dun. Go there with a tip. I'm gonna come here with a tip and I will stop. I'm coming from here. Okay guys. I'm almost right. Okay guys. Now I'm riding from here. Shoulder. See you later. Just remember, I will miss you all. I will miss you guys all. Just remember that. So yeah. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. How many? Comment now. How many must I really do the really? Okay guys, you must look how I really it, and I really 1 time and 2 times. Okay guys, I'm coming very far now. I'm far away. Yo, did you see that? It was fast. Now I'm going back again, but I'm not going that close. But please guys, I'm watching. I hope that you subscribe to me. Please. Almost to the end. So okay guys, I was in now. See you later, shabalabas.